Good morning, children. Let us move on to the exercise 7.1. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. Question number 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1. Whenever the points are given like this, we have to take the points as some other values like A and B or P and Q or anything like that. So now I am assuming let A of 2, 3 and B of 4, 1 be the pair of points. Now you know that we have to find the distance between the following pairs of points. So we know what is the formula for finding the distance between any two points. So now you know very well when there is 2 points, we will assume the points as x1, y1 and x2, y2. So here A of 2, 3, this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. So x1 is 2, y1 is 3, x2 is 4, y2 is 1. Now the distance between the 2 points, the 2 points are A and B. So AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Always you have to write the formula first and then proceed to do the sums. Next, root of, instead of x2 we are putting the value, that is x2 is 4 minus x1 is 2. 4 minus 2 the whole square plus y2 is 1. y1 is 3. So, 1 minus 3 the whole square. So, now 4 minus 2 is 2 square and 1 minus 3 minus 2 the whole square. So, now that is equal to root of 4 plus 4. That is root 8. Root 8 can be written as 2 into 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So, 2 root 2 units. Always you have to write units because we know very well a distance is measured in some units. So here it is not mentioned, so you just write units. The second sum, A, B and minus A, minus B. Instead of the numerical values, it is given as variables here. A and B and here minus A, minus B. Same way, we have to assume let A of A, B and B of minus A, minus B be the pair of points. Here same way, first one is x1, y1 and the next one is x2, y2. So, x1 is A, y1 is B, x2 is minus A, y2 is minus B. So, first you have to write the formula. AB is equal to, the distance between A and B is AB. That is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is equal to root of x2 is minus A and x1 is A. So, minus A the whole square plus y2 is minus B and y1 is B. So, minus B the whole square. So, now minus A, add and put the same sign. So, minus 2A the whole square. Minus B is minus 2B the whole square. So, when you square it, minus 2 square is 4, 4A square plus 4B square. Here 4 is common. So, root of 4 into A square plus B square. Root of 4 is nothing but 2. 2 into root of A square plus B square. We have to write units. Now the third sum is for homework, minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. The answer is also given, you can verify your answers. Next, the question is, find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. You know very well 0, 0 is the coordinates of the origin. And you know very well the coordinates of the origin, the distance is root of x square plus y square. But I am using the distance formula, see how I am. You can either do like that or we can take like this and just see here, let the points be A of 0, 0 and B of 36, 15. x1 is 0, y1 is 0, x2 is 36, y2 is 15. Here I have used distance formula. You can also use the formula which is used for this origin, the distance from the origin, root of x square plus y square, that also you can use it. But I have used distance formula to make you understand how it is. AB, now listen here, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now, x2 is 36 minus 0 the whole square plus 15 minus 0 the whole square. So, now you see here we have got x square plus y square. So, 36 square plus 15 square. 36 square is 1296 plus 15 square is 225. When I add, I get root of 1521. Now, we have to find the square root. Here, 1521. Now, You know how to divide. The last number is 1, so 2 is not divisible. When I add 1 plus 5, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so I have divided by 3. 5 3s are 15. 2 I cannot divide, I am writing 0. 7 3s are 21. Same way 1 3s are 3, 6 3s are 18, 9 3s are 27. Now again, when I add this 169, 13th table will go in 169. So 13s are 169. Now you know very well how to find the square root. We pair it. So 3, 3 and here 13. So these 13 into 3 is 39. This is the square root of 1521. So 39 units is the answer. The next question. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11 are collinear. Now for this collinear, you know what are collinear points? The points which lie on the same line are called collinear points. Now if the points are collinear, you cannot form a triangle. You know collinear points cannot be used for drawing a triangle. It is on the same line. It can be anywhere, A, B, C. Now they are collinear points. How to find whether they are collinear? When you add, for example, AB plus BC, when you add, you should get AC. Suppose you are not getting AC. Suppose it is less than AC, less than this. AB plus BC is less than AC or greater than AC, then it is not collinear points. If it is equal to AC, then it is collinear. So this is the condition for collinear points. So now solution. Let the given points be A of 1, 5, B of 2, 3 and C of minus 2, minus 11. Now by distance formula, we know that. First let us find what is AB. AB is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So A of 1, 5, B of 2, 3. Here same way you should take, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. It's not necessary you should write like this. I have written like this because it will be easy for you to do. Sometimes you make mistake, which is x1, which is x2. When you are doing, you may make mistake. So you are doing this. If you are you know very well without writing this, you can do. It's okay. You can do it. AB is equal to now x2 minus x1, 2 minus 1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1, 3 minus 5 the whole square. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 3 minus 5 is minus 2 the whole square. So root of 1 plus 4, that is root 5 units. Next you have to find BC. Same way, here I have written here BC, we have 2 points. Now this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So we can write like this to make you to do it easier without making any mistake. This will help. Now BC is equal to root of minus 2 the whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 the whole square. So now minus 2 is minus 4 whole square plus minus 14 the whole square. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 14 14s are 196. So this is equal to root of 212. Now when I take 212, 2 I can divide by 2. So it is 106. Again when I divide by 2 I get 53. 53 is a prime number. 53 goes in 53 one times. So pairing only 2 you can pair. So it is 2 root 53. Okay. Next you have to find what is AC. Same way AC you have to take the points A and C, x1 y1, x2 y2 using the distance formula. Root of minus 2 minus 1 the whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 the whole square. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 the whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 is minus 16 the whole square. 3 square minus 3 square is 9. 16 minus 16 square is 256. So when I add it, I get root of 265. 265, if I find the square root, 5 is the last number, so 5 is divisible. 5 5s are 25, 3 5s are 15. Again 53 is a prime number, so 53 divided by 53 is 1. So we can't get any pair here. So what we are going to do, we are just writing 265 as it is. I can write 265 units. Next, now AB plus BC. AB plus BC is root 5 plus 2 root 53. And AC is root 265. These are not equal. AB plus BC is not equal to AC. So we can say the given points are not collinear.